Hey guys, let's jump right in. So to make my vanity mirror, I'm going to be using a Dollar Tree mirror, some hot glue, a foam board from Dollar Tree, a razor from Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to be using some lights that I previously ordered from AliExpress, and they were only around about $8, but I love them. They are dimmable. They have a USB port on them. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to measure. Well, I'm not even going to measure. I'm just going to cut my foam board in half because I already draw it out a line, so I know exactly the size I want my mirror to be. I'm just going to cut that out, and then I'm going to take my sanding block and I'm going to smooth the edges out, just because when you cut the foam board, it does leave like a little rugged edge, and I want it to be kind of smooth. So that's all I'm doing, and it's not going to be perfect, but it's to my liking pretty much. After I do that, I'm just going to take the mirror out of the plastic. I'm going to remove the backing because I don't need none of that. I'm just going to remove the mirror itself from the frame, and then all of the rest I'll just toss it to the side. And so I'm just going to lay my mirror out exactly where I want it to be in the foam board. Place a little hot glue. I didn't use a lot because, anybody who's ever worked with foam, the foam boards, the glue sticks so easily. So I'm just going to stick that down directly in the center, making sure that it's even on both sides. And then I got this Dollar Tree bling, and I already had this, but Dollar Tree do carry it, and it's already sticky on the back. So I'm just going to peel that off, and I'm going to cover every edge of the mirror just to give it a cuter look, so it won't just be so obvious that it's the little Dollar Tree mirror. And I'm just going to do that for each edge until I have it completely covered. So now that I got that done, I'm going to jump into it with my lights. And like I said, I already used these lights, so the sticky part isn't on the more. So I'm going to use the hot glue, and I'm just going to lay them where I want them to be. And I have a total of 10 lights, so I'm going to do 4 on the side and 3 to the bottom and 3 to the top. But of course, you can lay them however you want. And I chose these lights because I always wanted to do the Dollar Tree vanity mirror for a while, but I wasn't too fascinated with the whole push lights that everyone's been using. I just don't see, every time I have to sit at my vanity to do something, having to push every light on, and then when I'm done, having to push every light off. So these lights allow me to hit the switch on the side, and I'm done. So now that I got that done, as you can see, this is the finished look. And I like these just because, I got a lot of pink in my room, and they do have the pink on the back. I'm going to take the cords, and I'm just gonna hot glue them, just a little dab of hot glue to make them stick to the back so that they're not sticking out, because I don't want them to show. And I'm just gonna do that until they're completely covered. And that's how it look. This is the USB port. I plug that into a box piece and I plug it into the outlet, and my light will always glow, so even if I walk into my room and it's dark, I can see that and know exactly what button to press to turn my vanity lights on. This is the finished look. It has 3 dimmable settings: bright, medium, and then low. So it's your choice. And I also have a USB piece on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this, because I enjoyed making it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.